gears entirely. Easter just 3 days away. Kurt the CyberGuy here with some tips and tricks to upgrade your Easter basket ahead of the weekend. Kurt Knutsson, welcome.
Hello,
Happy
Kurt.
Easter weekend to you, my friend. What do we got?
Happy Easter. Good morning to you. So when I grew up, my mother did one thing that was so cool at Easter time. She'd wrap one single gift and put it in our Easter basket. And once I realized it wasn't compromising the amount of chocolate I was going to receive, I was totally into it. And so I continued the tradition this morning. Now, springtime is a time we also see a lot of new technology. The newest laptop on the market right here is an Asus ZenBook Duo. It's got dual screens and 4 different modes. Look at this thing. It's up on a kickstand, and you can create this giant screen real estate with this.
That's awesome.
And the magnetic keyboard also goes right back on it.
Oh, that's so cool.
And then it becomes a normal laptop this way. So it does all different kinds of modes. It is brilliant. All-day battery life on this. I love it. Starts at $14.99. Yeah, expensive for an Easter basket.
A laptop in an Easter basket. Here's what I got. I got these plastic eggs, and I was told you'll be happy with it.
Nothing in them, or did you have candy in it?
Depends how good I was.
This just came out, and this is just, gamers are screaming about this. It's a PlayStation Elite Pulse wireless Bluetooth headset. This is a brilliant, grab it. Yeah, it's a beautiful headset for PlayStation. It's out there, just came out, $150 for that. Jump to this. This is actually, again, for a gamer, because, you know, a lot of kids, they like games, they like candy. PlayStation WD Black. This is the SN850, and an amazing way to, or SN850P, I should say. This is an amazing way to plug into an existing PlayStation 5, and from 1 to 4 terabytes of extra storage on it. Any kid with a PlayStation 5 will love that gift because they can put a lot more games on there.
That's cool.
And then you don't have to offload them, and you don't have to bother with a lot of subscriptions.
And this one fits in the Easter basket.
It does fit in the Easter basket. So does this one. This came out literally hours ago.
Oh.
Minutes ago, Kurt Knutsson.
Not minutes, but hours.
Oops, sorry.
So this is a Wise Cam. This is a version 4 that just came out, 2.5K resolution on this. It's got night vision, and it's like under $30. It's incredible. And then this is on sale. You never see this. The 4-pack of the AirTags.
Yeah.
That's now about $80, so $79.99. Normally $99.99.
Track your kids.
Track your kids. Track your
bags.
Easter bunny. I've got it on my luggage. I use it on our dog. I mean, it's endless. And then do the honors here,
This
if you would,
one I
Carly.
love, and my son would love this too.
1, 2, 3. Who do you see?
I see Carly and Kurt.
That is so
That is a
cute.
peekaboo bunny. It's an interactive plush toy, about $64.99 on Amazon. We have it all at CyberGuy.com. When you go there, you can get some of these ideas, whether you're just upgrading your technology for spring or you really want to do what my mom did that I absolutely love and continue the tradition by adding one thing to the Easter basket that means something. This is the time.
That's great. And your mom seems like a cool lady for doing
She
that.
really
making
is
Easter
cool.
extra
Good
special.
advice.
She's in your cookbook.
Good advice for the
is.
parents buying gifts, but also for the Easter Bunny as he or she packs gifts to deliver to children throughout the world.
On Santa's sleigh that's being borrowed but painted pink
by
and
the Tooth
Easter
Fairy.
colors.
Exactly.
Right, exactly.
Kurt, thank you so much for bringing all this stuff in. That's awesome. Good stuff.